Quincy, can I have this bag right here, please? Quincy, come here! I'm home! Come here! Come here! Come here! Hey! Oh, Quincy, Quincy, come back!
I love you, you love me.
Quincy, can I have your cell phone, please? Oh! Quincy, it's time to go to the vet.
Run.
Quincy, the DNA test came back. You are the father. Quincy, I'm going to take this bone right here. I'm going to take this bone.
Quincy, please come back. Please. Please, just come. Please. Please.
Please!
Thank you.
Quincy, howl like a wolf. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have my protein? You don't even lift, buddy, so I'm going to take it. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take my deodorant, stick my arm? Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I get my key? I'm going to be late for work. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I take one of my socks, please? You don't pay for these. I do, and you've been sitting in them all day, so I'm going to take it right now. Come on, please. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have the toilet paper, please? Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I have my blanket, please? I'm really cold, so I need my blanket. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I grab my lottery ticket? I think it's a winner, so I'm going... Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I just grab this book right here? Now, you'll be nice, because it says how to be a gentleman, so you'll be nice. Hey, Quincy, is it okay if I vacuum the house? Quincy, can I please have Barney? Give me Barney, please. Come on, give me your toy. Quincy, show me how you're happy. Wow! Yes! I know! Quincy, I don't want to go to school tomorrow! Quincy, my girlfriend broke up with me! What do I do? I'm so sad! We ran out of dog food. Quincy, 1, 2, 3. Woo! Quincy, I think you're a cat. Yeah, you're a cat. Quincy! Quincy, give me a woohoo! Hey, Quincy, it's time to go to the vet. We gotta go to the vet, buddy. Come on. Quincy, can I get a woohoo? Oh, there he is right there! Get him!